Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. In today's video, I bring you an update regarding the summer PEBT benefit. PEBT benefit is finally permanent and we have complete details about this $391 worth of fixed and permanent benefit. And also, we are going to tell you about the end of SNAP emergency allowment benefit. This is indeed a very important update because you need to know when these emergency allowments are ending and what you can do to keep it going. This is huge announcement from USDA and we have complete details about it. So of course all the information is available in this video as well. So make sure you guys stay until the end of this video. Now before we get started, if you are interested in the latest news regarding stimulus, child tax credit, SNAP, PEBT and everything in between, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. So start of the end of emergency allowment is approaching. Yes, you heard it right. The United States Department of Agriculture, Food and Nutrition Services, also known as USDA, FNS, has announced that February 2023 is the final month of temporary extra supplemental nutrition assistance program benefit, also known as SNAP benefit. But hold on, this is not the SNAP benefit that you regularly receive. This is known as the emergency allowance, means because of the pandemic, millions of families were receiving extra money on top of their regular SNAP food stamp. And this is the money that is going to have a pause now. Remember that known as the emergency allowance put in place at the start of the pandemic. This benefit is finally going away, so you need to do your budgeting very carefully. The recent passage of Consolidated Appropriation Act 2023 and these benefits, let us know in the comments below what do you think about this. Do you think that they should keep this going? And we have one more question for you. Do you support a 200 fixed monthly SNAP extra benefit for millions of food stamp recipients until this roast inflation ends, where people are struggling and they needed more money? Let us know in the comments below that do you support the 200 fixed extra SNAP benefits or not. Moving on with the video, SNAP emergency allowance have allowed household to receive the maximum SNAP emergency allowance benefit amount for the household size with a maximum or minimum supplemental allowance of 95. Beginning in March 2023, all SNAP households nationally will return to their regular benefit amounts, so the $95 that millions of these families are receiving are now going to see a decrease in their monthly food stamp benefits because they are coming back to their regular benefits amount and regular emergency allowance will not be there anymore. Now it's time to give you very good news because this summer PEBT $391 worth of pandemic EBT benefit is permanent. Now means no matter what, these benefits will keep going and there are permanent, means millions of children will going to receive these benefits. SNAP update is here. As summer EBT program to be made permanent now, the House voted 225 to 201 on Friday, December and the 23rd in the favor of Consolidated Appropriation Act of 2023, which includes $40 million for making permanent a pandemic era summer EBT, also known as Pandemic EBT program for eligible school children. Congratulations if you have kids, because now this summer pandemic EBT program, which gives about $391 of millions of children, is finally permanent. Now let us tell you all pandemic EBT benefits. If you are not aware from it, then this is indeed a very informative part for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end. The summer PEBT program available during this summer when school is out of session provides the following eligible kids temporary emergency nutrition benefit loaded on EBT card, also known as electronic benefit transfer cards, that are used to purchase food up to $40 per child each month, grab and go or delivery options. for summer meals in rural areas and up to 10 days worth of meals to take home instead of being required to eat them all at meal sites. Congratulations. The next one is children who would have received free or reduced price meal under the National School Lunch Act. If their school will not close, you're operating with reduced hour or attendance for the at least 5 consecutive days are eligible to receive pandemic EBT benefits. Congratulations once again. Benefit to younger children in household participate in the Supplementary Nutrition Assistance Program, also known as SNAP, who covered child care facility is closed or operating with reduced hour or attendance, or who live in the area of school that are closed or operating will reduce hour of attendance. PEBT is available to all school children who are eligible to receive free or reduced price meal during the current school year and to school children who are newly determined eligible for meal benefit during this summer month in state that haven't approved as via 2021-2022 plan of school children and our school children is child care. PEBT is available to all children under 6 years of age who are enrolled in SNAP during this summer. And that's all the update that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.